Get ready for a futuristic takeover like no other. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a lumberyard that's unlike anything you've ever seen. One where robots are running the show. These cutting-edge machines are transforming the woodworking industry with speed, precision, and efficiency that was once unimaginable. From handling heavy logs to making precise cuts, robots are stepping in to handle the toughest jobs, allowing us to rethink how lumberyards operate. Imagine a world where precise cuts and efficiency aren't limited by human hands. Autonomous saws, equipped with advanced AI and laser-guided precision, are revolutionizing woodworking. These machines operate tirelessly, cutting wood with pinpoint accuracy, day or night. Unlike human workers who need breaks and rest, these robotic saws keep going, maintaining consistent performance and reducing downtime. Their ability to minimize waste by optimizing every cut means higher yields and lower costs for the industry. But cutting is just the beginning. Mechanical movers and automated forklifts seamlessly transport heavy lumber across the yard. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and use real-time data to navigate complex environments with ease. Unlike traditional forklifts that require skilled operators, these autonomous machines operate with minimal human intervention, reducing labor costs and human error. This kind of automation minimizes downtime, maximizes productivity, and keeps operations running smoothly. Whether it's organizing stock or loading materials for shipment, robotic systems work with efficiency and precision that traditional methods struggle to match. They keep the workflow uninterrupted, even during long shifts or overnight operations. So, why automate? Robot-run lumber yards offer numerous benefits, from increased efficiency and cost savings to safer working conditions. The initial investment in automation technology is quickly offset by the long-term gains in productivity and reduced labor expenses. Moreover, the consistency of robotic performance ensures that production targets are met without compromising quality. With robots handling the heavy lifting, human workers can focus on oversight, quality control, and innovation. Instead of performing repetitive and physically demanding tasks, workers now monitor systems, troubleshoot issues, and look for ways to improve processes. This shift in roles not only enhances job satisfaction, it also opens opportunities for skill development in technology and system management. So, what do you think? Are robot-run lumber yards the future of woodworking, or is there still a place for human craftsmanship? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts on the future of technology and industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of robotics and technology. Thanks for watching.